We bought this estate in 2004. Today, we have more than 120 organic dairy cows and farm about 200 hectares of land. Every cow produces about 12,000 liters of milk every year. I'm a proponent of organic farming because it protects nature. It's important to me that the cows get a lot of fresh air, that there are no pesticides used on the crops, and that the cows are fed with natural products. When I first heard about Grander, I was a little skeptical, but I finally let myself be convinced by a multitude of positive testimonials and installed a Grander system in January 2012. The first thing we noticed after installing the system was a remarkable change in the cows' drinking habits. They no longer only drink with their tongues, but dunk in their whole muzzles as if they can't get enough. This is definitely a good sign. Then we noticed there was less lime in the water in the drinking troughs we keep in the barns. The valves of the troughs now stay lime-free. There is always a full stream of water now. Thanks to Grander, we save about 6,000 to 8,000 Danish kroner per year for the heating elements in the washing machines and boilers alone. In the past, we had to change the heating elements every 6 months as they had calcified or were otherwise wrecked. Now we only change them every 2 to 3 years. What's more, we were also able to reduce the amount of chemicals and detergents we use in the washing and cleaning facilities and the milk tanks by 50%. One thing we always had an eye on was the somatic cell count. Before, this figure fluctuated, ranging from around 100,000 to 200,000. Today, it has stabilized at around 100,000. Considering the savings, the Grander device paid off after a couple of years. There aren't many investments that are profitable already after a year or two.